everyone, and welcome to my eFridge, our entry for ElleHacks 2022 under the Scotiabank prompt for food insecurity. We are MICE, a team of U of T engineering students, and we really hope you enjoy our presentation. One of the perils of modern society is food insecurity, and a big part of why that's caused is wastage of food in households and in businesses. In fact, Americans dispose about 40% of the food that they buy, and it totally amounts to about $160 million lost. So the major question that we're tackling here is how can we reduce the food waste that we produce in our households and therefore reduce food insecurity?
First off, I'm going to give a general overview of how we approach the problem statement. So at any given time, we know that most people and businesses do not know what's exactly in their refrigerator or when it was bought. And this can lead to major issues such as repurchasing items that are already in the fridge or forgetting about an item until it's expired. So our team proposes that we create an application that can function as a smart fridge. This application would allow users to add food that they have bought, view their fridge contents, and also receive alerts when a food is close to expiration. These alerts would allow users to reduce their food wastage since they can create a recipe using a food that's going to expire soon or donate it. So the main components of our application are the input inventory, the calendar, and the refrigerator. So the input inventory takes in the input of the food name, the amount, and also the type or the expiration date on the label. So this food item is added to the calendar as well as to the refrigerator along with its expiration date. And then in our calendar, we're using our user input to visually track when a food was bought and when it's going to expire. And then lastly, our refrigerator displays a concise list of all of the foods that a user has bought along with their expiration date and the amount that they have left.
This is a demo of our project. My eFridge has an intuitive interface with input containers on the left and information displayed on the right. New users can find out about the functionality by clicking Learn More. To add an item to the fridge, we will put in the name of that item, the amount, and the expiration date. Here we get an alert of the upcoming expiration date and another alert because the date of expiry is within 1 day. Our project can also estimate expiration dates for items that do not have a specific one. To delete an item from the fridge, we put in the name and the amount. Items in the fridge are sorted by expiration date so that the user can see which items are going to expire the soonest. Another reason is because then, with these expiring soonest items, the user can input them into a recipe generator to get ideas on how to use them.
And so lastly, our next steps include integrating AI. So adding a functionality to populate your eFridge based on a photo of your physical fridge, creating an app version so you can use it on the go, and lastly, expanding functionality in ways such as adding more notifications, adding an e-pantry option, and also finding locations of nearby food donation points that you can give food that will going to go bad soon. Thank you very much.